The business world is changing faster than ever. Global disruptions are becoming more frequent. Staying ahead of the curve isn't just good business, it's essential for survival. That's why future-proofing your supply chain is mission critical. Your supply chain is the backbone of your business. It's how you get your products to your customers. And in today's world, it needs to be agile, adaptable, and built to withstand uncertainty. Think of it like this. A strong supply chain is like a well-oiled machine. It runs smoothly, efficiently, and can adapt to changes in the road ahead. A weak supply chain, on the other hand, is like a car with flat tires. It's slow, unreliable, and prone to breakdowns. We need to embrace technology, prioritize sustainability, and build resilience into every step of the process. That's how we stay ahead of the curve and ensure our businesses are ready for whatever comes next. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we do business, and nowhere is its impact felt more profoundly than in the realm of supply chain management. AI is like having a seasoned expert working behind the scenes, analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making smart decisions to optimize every aspect of your operations. One of the key benefits of AI is its ability to automate tasks. This frees up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives, from order processing and inventory management to transportation logistics and delivery optimization. AI can handle the heavy lifting, allowing your team to focus on what they do best, growing your business. Let me give you an example. Imagine a company that ships products across the country. They might use AI to analyze historical data on weather patterns, traffic conditions, and delivery times to determine the most efficient routes for their trucks. This not only saves time and money, but also reduces fuel consumption and emissions. AI is about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging the power of technology to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and give your business a competitive edge. In today's uncertain world, risk is an inherent part of doing business, but what if you could anticipate potential disruptions before they occur? That's the power of AI-driven risk management. AI and machine learning algorithms excel at identifying patterns and anomalies in vast datasets. By analyzing historical data, market trends, and even social media sentiment, AI can provide early warnings of potential disruptions, such as natural disasters, political instability, or supplier issues. But it's not just about predicting risks, it's also about mitigating them. AI can help you develop contingency plans and alternative sourcing options, ensuring that your supply chain remains resilient in the face of adversity. Think of it like this. AI is your early warning system, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions and protect your business from potential threats. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's a business imperative. Consumers are demanding eco-friendly products and practices, and companies that fail to adapt are being left behind. The good news is that technology is making it easier than ever to build a sustainable supply chain without sacrificing profitability. By optimizing transportation routes, reducing waste, and improving energy efficiency, you can lower your environmental footprint while also boosting your bottom line. For example, companies are using AI-powered systems to monitor energy consumption in warehouses and factories, identifying opportunities for optimization and cost savings. Sustainability isn't just the right thing to do for the planet, it's also good for business. Section 5. Building a smarter back-end software and systems for optimized operations. The heart of any efficient supply chain is a robust and intelligent back-end system. This is where the magic happens, connecting all the dots and ensuring that goods flow smoothly from origin to destination. Next-generation software solutions are leveraging the power of AI, machine learning, and data analytics to optimize every aspect of supply chain management. From demand forecasting and inventory planning to warehouse management and transportation logistics, these systems provide real-time visibility and control, allowing you to make smarter decisions and respond to changes with agility. Think of it as the brain of your operation, constantly analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making adjustments to ensure optimal performance. Section 6. Powering up sustainably energy solutions for a greener supply chain. One of the most significant contributors to a company's carbon footprint is its energy consumption. From powering warehouses and factories to fueling transportation fleets, traditional energy sources have a significant impact on the environment. However, sustainable energy solutions are rapidly changing the game, offering businesses a cleaner, greener way to power their supply chains. Solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible, allowing companies to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels and lower their greenhouse gas emissions. Electric vehicle fleets are also gaining traction, offering a more sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered trucks. Section 7. Transparency and traceability, blockchain, IoT, and the future of visibility. In today's interconnected world, consumers are demanding greater transparency and traceability from the brands they support. They want to know where their products come from, how they're made, and what impact they have on the environment. This is where technologies like blockchain and the Internet of Things, or IoT, are playing a transformative role. Blockchain, with its decentralized and immutable ledger system, provides a tamper-proof record of every step in the supply chain, from raw material sourcing to final delivery. This not only enhances transparency, but also helps prevent fraud and counterfeiting. The IoT, with its network of connected sensors and devices, provides real-time visibility into the movement of goods, tracking their location, temperature, and other critical parameters. This data can be used to optimize logistics, reduce waste, and ensure product quality. Section 8. Minimizing footprint, maximizing impact, strategies for sustainable resource use. Resource efficiency is a core principle of sustainability. It's about doing more with less, minimizing waste, and finding innovative ways to reduce our environmental impact. In the context of supply chain management, this translates to optimizing packaging, reducing transportation distances, and finding creative ways to reuse and recycle materials. For example, companies are adopting sustainable packaging solutions using recycled materials and minimizing waste. They're also implementing circular economy principles, finding ways to reuse and repurpose materials to extend their life cycle. By embracing resource efficiency, businesses can not only reduce their environmental footprint but also unlock significant cost savings. Section 9. The customer is king and green, building supply chains around values. Today's conscious consumer cares deeply about the values of the brands they support. They want to align themselves with businesses that prioritize sustainability, ethical sourcing, and social responsibility. This means that building a customer-centric supply chain is no longer just about speed and efficiency. It's also about transparency, responsibility, and shared values. Companies are responding by implementing sustainable sourcing practices, ensuring fair labor conditions throughout their supply chains, and giving back to the communities where they operate. They're also communicating their sustainability efforts to consumers, building trust and loyalty. Remember, customers are more likely to support businesses that share their values. Section 10. The future is intelligent and sustainable. A new era for global commerce. The future of supply chain management is intelligent, sustainable, and customer-centric. By embracing the power of technology, prioritizing sustainability, and building strong relationships with stakeholders, businesses can create supply chains that are not only efficient and profitable, but also responsible and resilient. This means leveraging AI and data analytics to optimize operations, adopting sustainable energy solutions, embracing transparency and traceability, and building a culture of sustainability throughout the organization. It also means putting the customer at the heart of everything we do, understanding their values and building trust through transparency and authenticity. The journey towards a more sustainable and intelligent supply chain is ongoing, but the rewards are clear: a healthier planet, a stronger economy, and a brighter future for all.